Hello YouTube, Talkamaniac 1000, and I just got a new pair of soccer cleats. As you can see, I got... Dad, I'm making a video! Oh, sorry. And, as you can see, I got the Adidas Adizero F50 TRX FG, the leather version, size men's 9.5. I got the Hygiene white electric color. So yeah, I love this shoe. It's supposed to be really good, and let's get them out. So yeah, these are, see, a really nice shoe. The leather up there. Okay, so let's get into it. As you can see, we have this reddish here, the electric yellow, the white Adidas 3 stripes, the sprint web back here. I don't know if you can see that. I mean, sprint frame, sorry, sprint frame right there. On the back, you have some nice yellow triangles, black Adidas. On the tongue, just says Adizero and Adidas up there. So yeah, I heard this is supposed to be a really nice shoe, the leather version, so yeah. Here's the other one. I do play cup. I play center midfield. So, yeah, those are my new soccer shoes. Here are here's the box, if all you wanted to see it. And the instructions. Tells you all how to take care of it and everything. So yeah, these are super light, 5.8 ounces. I think that the leather might weigh a little more, except still very light. So yeah, tell me how you like these shoes and if you've had good, like if they've worked good for you. So yeah, Talkmaniac 1000. I really hope you like these shoes. So yeah, peace out, guys. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye.